Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Welcome to the Playground app walkthrough for creative and productive AI use. First, install the Playground app from the official App Store and open it. Create an account or sign in using email or single sign-on methods. Select a model from the top menu such as Prose, Code, or Chat. Adjust temperature, max tokens, and response length in the Settings panel. Enable safety filters and content policies before starting sensitive or public work. Now you are ready to create prompts and experiment with outputs confidently. Start by choosing a template or writing a clear prompt describing your desired output. Use context lines to provide examples, constraints, and relevant data for better responses. Set temperature lower for deterministic answers and higher for creative variations. Limit max tokens to control length and cost per request when needed. Run the prompt, review outputs, then refine instructions until results meet expectations. Use edit mode to change only specific sentences without reissuing the entire prompt. Save successful prompts as templates and tag them for easy retrieval later on. Share results with teammates by exporting transcripts or granting view or edit access. Use version history to compare changes and roll back to earlier states. Monitor usage stats and billing to avoid unexpected charges when running long sessions. Apply rate limits and quotas on API keys for safety and control. Avoid including personal data. Redact SSNs and passwords from prompts. Learn keyboard shortcuts and use snippets to speed up frequent workflows in the app. Contact support when encountering bugs and provide logs, steps, and screenshots for resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.